yellow, black and red color combination, red and black color combination this car. Okay, power Beko. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, you can see now I am beside a paddy field and I have a full box of toys here. Wow, all are nice and beautiful color combination. So friends, now I will introduce with you all of these one by one. Let's go. At first I take a cartoony car. See, this is very nice cartoony model car. Wow, this is very nice and beautiful green, black and silver color combination this car. So I collect this one at my side here. And next one is a realistic model wrap Jeep. See, this is a black and a red color combination, this nice model wrap Jeep. Wow, friend, now I take a power Beko. See, this is also realistic model, yellow, black and nice color combination, this power Beko. Oh, this one is a luxurious car. See, this is very nice and beautiful model, a realistic luxurious car, red and black color combination this car. Oh, this is one more car. See, this DS Tarzan car. This is a very nice realistic model plastic toy. This is a paste black and silver color combination, this DS Tarzan car. So I collect this one here. And now I take a Sakib cover van. See, this is a realistic model 6-wheeler Sakib cover van. This is a yellow, black and red color combination cover van, and here is also Moto Patlo sticker. And next one is a, wow, this one is a Feluda. See, this is very nice red and black color combination, this nice model Feluda. Wow. And this one is a cartoony Jeep. Wow, this is a pink, yellow and blue color combination, this cartoony Jeep. See, this is very nice cartoony model. And this one is a realistic model fast food delivery car. This is a white, blue and pink color combination, this nice model fast food delivery car. And here is also fast food sticker. So I collect this one at my side here. And this one is a Noha 910 emergency police car. This is a green, black and a silver color combination, this nice model car. Oh, now I take a dirt bike. See, this realistic model dirt bike. This is white, red and blue color combination, this bike. Oh, this one is a helicopter. See, friend, this is very nice and realistic model 911 police helicopter. See this color, this is a white, blue and black color combination. So friends, I collect this one at my side here also. And this is the last one is a metro rail. Wow, friends, see this cartoony metro rail. This is a 6-wheeler, red, black and white color combination, this metro rail. And here is many Benton sticker. So I also collect this one at my side here. Friends, you can see here all of these toy vehicles, and all of these toy vehicles one by one introduced with you. And you can also see my bucket is empty. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel.